Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you Tangerine how to make a joint account. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to open the joint account, first step is to open the Tangerine application, and once opened, simply log into the Tangerine Bank account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply tap on the account, easily found on the home screen or under more. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is choose account type, select checking or savings from the options, and joint accounts are available for checking, savings, not credit cards. Next step is to select joint account, choose joint account from the options, and then you will see options for individual or joint, select joint. The next step is to invite the second person. Simply send the invite to the second person and the second person accepts the invite, and they must log into Tangerine and accept the joint account activation. Once that's done, joint account is ready. Both people now have full access, debit card access, and equal control of the account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful. Leave a like if it did, and see you soon on the next one.